Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Xiaomi 11T Pro with a broken display, and as you can see, the back is also broken. So let's go fix it. So the Xiaomi 11T Pro has the tempered glass on top of the display, but it's still broke. And now you can't even shut this phone down properly because the display is not anymore working. We're gonna remove the back cover first. We are also gonna replace the back cover because we have a spare part for this specific model, the 11T Pro. So it's gonna look brand new after we're done with this. We're gonna remove this back cover and put that in the bin, properly dispose of it. Next up is we're gonna remove the cover for the daughter board at the bottom. We have a lot of screws here, so we're gonna unscrew them and reveal the connector for the display right there at the corner. So we're gonna detach them. And then here's the display connector. This is a replacement display. We're gonna connect it. And since we haven't turned this phone on properly, it's just gonna be on. So right now we can swipe up and interact with the device, but we can't go into the home screen, but at least we can shut this phone down properly. We're gonna detach the replacement display. We're gonna remove it and cover up the... Not yet, we're not gonna cover it up yet. We're just gonna let it dangle at the back. We're gonna remove this tempered glass. You can't really see the tempered glass, but it's just gonna fall off once we get it started. So tempered glass, not really a guarantee that it will protect your smartphone from total damage once you drop it, but I think it has been put on the display after the damage has been done. So kind of the different order. It's not really good. So now we're gonna remove the display. We have disconnected it from the back, so we can just pull the connector out and let the other sides follow. Peel it out. There's lots of shards of glass and glue residue. We are gonna reposition this rubber gasket around the front camera to protect it from dust. Also gonna clean up the housing because there's a lot of gunk left behind by the old display, especially on the corners. The corners are also quite bent due to the impact once the smartphone has been dropped on the corner. It's really natural to have those damages, but we are gonna grind them out to let the housing accept the replacement display and make it install flush into the device. We're gonna scrape this some more. Then brush them out. David is very particular on the preparation for the housing before installing the new display. He will also give it a good clean, and of course the bent corners will be dealt with this mini grinder. And we are gonna install now the replacement display with our own liquid adhesive. just enough so it will hold on to the new display without any issues. Let it go around full circle, and then on the display also we're gonna put some adhesive around the speaker grill, just a few layers. And then we're gonna install it. We're gonna make sure this one is done correctly, because the camera can get smudged and it will ruin the photos when it's contaminated. And then we are gonna deal with the back part of this operation. We're gonna reverse the process and close up the device. So if you have a Xiaomi 11T Pro that needs a new display, new back cover, or a new battery, David can hook you up with some quality parts. He'll also give you a free diagnostic on your device. There's a lot of considerations when you try to fix your own device, so if you don't want the hassle of doing it yourself, you are free to go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre and have a professional do this repair for you. You can see here we have also the back cover replacement part, so this one can pass up as a brand new device. And look at that, it's also functional, can live for another year or two. The client has saved lots of money by fixing this device. Last thing we're gonna do is test it and put this new back cover in, and we're gonna give it back to the client. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well while you're at it, and I hope you learned something. Fix your old stuff and keep them going for longer, save some money, save the environment, and of course, it's so awesome to have you here. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. This is a before and after. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.